Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly click on that subscribe button right now and join the amazing family today. In this video, we are going to be making some caramel popcorn. Yes, not just regular popcorn. This is so delicious and a great treat for the children this Christmas. So come along and let's get started. For the popcorn, we need some corn kernels, butter, oil, and just a little bit of salt. Add your oil into your cooking pot and add your butter. Swirl it around until the butter is completely melted and add your popcorn kernels. Shake your pot slightly until all the corn kernels are coated with the oil and wait for them to begin popping. Once it starts to pop, cover your pot and allow the popcorn to pop completely, shaking in between so it doesn't burn at the bottom. Sprinkle the popcorn with a little bit of salt whilst it is still very warm. Toss it around until it is well coated with the salt and set it aside. Popcorn is really easy to make, but if you are not up for it, you can skip this step entirely and use microwave popcorn and continue with the next step. For the caramel, we need some sugar, butter, and water. But before we start, you want to line a baking sheet with a parchment paper and set it aside. Pour the sugar in your pot and then level it with your hand. Next, you want to pour over the water and allow all the sugar to be moistened with the water before you proceed. Turn on your heat and allow the sugar to dissolve completely. When the sugar dissolves, you want to keep an eye on it and wait until you get this amber color. And when it gets to this point, you want to stay close because it can burn quickly. Once it reaches this dark caramel color, you want to add your butter and stir your butter or whisk in your butter until it is completely melted. As soon as the butter is melted, the caramel is done. Quickly, you want to pour it over your popcorn and stir it around very well. Caramel is really hot, so you do not want to touch it. No matter what you do, do not touch it. Now transfer it onto the baking sheet we lined with the parchment paper and allow it to cool. And now you can touch it and enjoy it. But well, since it's Christmas and we want to be a little extra, I got these little cute cups that I'm going to put the popcorn in and wrap it nicely. Or you can also use this cellophane packaging, put it in there and seal it or tie it. It will look really cute. I mean, this is just popcorn, but packaging it like this will make it feel extra special, and I tell you, children are going to behave like they've never eaten popcorn before. I really hope that you take some inspiration from this Christmas series and make something special for your family. People have been through a lot this year all over the world, and so if you still have your family, make it a point to celebrate life and celebrate having each other. Whilst doing all this, I want you to remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. I want to thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.